Hey y'all, Uncle Michael here. This nice little restaurant. And I am parked and getting ready to eat and get some rest. Beautiful, beautiful. And a lovely lady right there. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Thank you so very much.
Oh, you are quite welcome. You be careful on those highways.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Woo-wee. Highway 309, Pennsylvania. So we are here. I wonder how many of y'all know this place. All right, y'all. I'm tired. Y'all. For real. But I just picked up a load. So now I'm fixing to get some rest and get back on it tomorrow. Y'all won't believe this, but this stop that I had, it had another set of difficulties in the parking. Sure did. I was surprised. But this is where I'm parked, and it was $10 to park here. I wanted something big open that I could get in and get back out pretty easy. And so far, there's nobody here. Really, I don't know how many people they can get parked in here, but I'm pretty sure us truck drivers can figure out how to do it. So it's just another quick video. Let y'all know where I was. Quaker, Pennsylvania. Yeah. So now I'm fixing to get back in this truck and get me some rest. I'm gonna be nosy for a little while. You know, I gotta be nosy. Gotta see what's going on around here. I don't know what that little building over there is. Paid parking only. Pay at fuel desk. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, y'all. So y'all take care of yourselves. I know I had a couple quick videos for y'all. Now I'm fixing to climb in here and secure everything. So y'all take care. Woo. I love you. Ain't a thing you can do about it. Appreciate you.